Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok account, country or region. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. Now, there are some ways that you go to settings, change your location, blah blah blah, but that doesn't work because TikTok looks where you are by your IP address from your SIM card, and especially if your SIM card is not like from the United States, not like US SIM card, you're most likely never be able to change it. So there are some things you can do that will actually help, and it's basically to go in my description, and you see this get US TikTok easily. So basically you need to buy this SIM card using my referral link, and if you use code Marko you can get 15% off. They have multiple countries available, and all you need to do is buy that SIM card, and the best way would be to put it in a new phone. So for example, buy iPhone 7, reset it, set it completely as an American, and put in the SIM card, create a TikTok account, and you will have change your region. And that's the only way I found out that it actually works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.